our prize payment and closing ceremony to Pustan World Cup Football Tournament 2024 have to face two teams, high temperament and high powerful team, Murshidpur Football 11 and Aurangabad Football 11. Aurangabad Football 11 won 2-1 goal this Pustan World Cup Football Tournament 2024. All ladies and gentlemen, welcome to view and to watch this match, high voltage match. Have to enjoyable. Both of team have given a marvelous and fantastic game to us. I request to both of team to come on to this prize giving and award ceremony and closing ceremony to and join to us here. I announce here and already you have done and you have shown and was that already Goalondo More Football Academy Rajbari have won this Pustan World Cup Football Tournament 2024 to 2-1 goal and Goalondo More already first time 1 minute within 1 minute have to here to defeat 0-1 goal back. After the second hour have come back, here Goalondo More will full swing, full speed and win and only two fantastic goals to Shariful and others have. So Shariful have performed here fantastic. At first I call Anwar sir have to come from Faridpur police line. He is one of the commentators, excellent, fantastic,